BAZIGOS is a mold manufacturing company and has the role of the end user in SMARTIST. L4MS was a great opportunity to look into areas for improvement in our shop floor that are usually overlooked in our industry, since the engineer-to-order business model of toolmaking does not allow the implementation of highly automated production lines and material flows.
CASP is a software company and it has the role of a solution provider and integrator in SMARTIST. One of the main problems was the exploitation of human operators' capabilities, as well as the provision of the logistics-related information to the human operators of BAZIGOS. After the implementation of our experiment using autonomous AGV, the transportation of metal parts was done by the AGV, and the human operators will not devote their working time for transporting metal parts from one machine to another.
Being able to model and simulate different material workflows that involve automation without having to actually invest in them is a great advantage. An expansion of our facilities is planned to take place in the next 1 or 2 years, and in this context, we tend to use the 3D simulation solution to test different layout scenarios for our infrastructure, machines, and warehouse.
The use of OPIL and 3D simulator will help to reduce the installation of potential AGVs in the future, since both partners have now acquired an in-depth know-how of the capabilities of different AGVs, the infrastructure which is needed, as well as the resources needed for configuration and developments. Our companies also benefited from the experiment because we can use the results in order to meet more generic industry demands from different fields, especially in the heavy industries. We also see that the solutions coming out of the experiment would help us to approach SME companies easier and convince them of the robustness, cost saving, easy operation, etc. of the solution. The biggest learning lesson during our application experiment was that the use of OPIL functionalities alongside with a 3D simulator helped us create a highly configurable automated logistics solution, including also the human on the loop.
In order to remain competitive, we need to adopt cutting-edge technologies and methods. In this context, L4MS seemed like a great opportunity to dive deeper into intralogistics issues of our processes.